wires. Can't seem to find my bits. I'll do it manually. There we go. Pop this guy open. And in about a second, you'll be able to see what's inside of one of these. Yeah, these screws over here. There you go. There you go. So that's the first part, and then you have the bottom, which comes off. Now that we unscrewed everything. Oh, there's one more screw I forgot about. We have cabling, little board here, little motor here. You have the laser, which has gold and aluminum. Also, I sell these guys here and these guys here. These drives are from PS3, so people look for these every so often. So that's pretty much what the video is going to be about, and kind of go through the value of all of that. Should be a fun little video. Miscellaneous stuff. We got a nice piece of cable. You have some stainless steel that I'm going to try to remove from this little base. It's quite easy. We got a nice little piece of stainless steel and some garbage. That's one down, 100,000 pieces of things to go. So now we have this mixer which died. Let's start with the top here. Some plastic. So just found a nice tiny board. Nothing too special. Some switches, so there might be some silver in there, and a couple of. Yeah, it goes straight through. Oh, I see. Their screws are deep. So yeah, the screws are in here. Can't get these caps off. They're difficult to take off. So pretty much have to drill through. I guess an easier way would just be to take a hammer to it and bust it open, but what's the fun in that? There you go, finally got it open.